So this is our user interface or screen. It's a touch screen, so you can flick through various pages and it gives you all the information that you need to see what the system is doing. There are two connection points on the back of the screen. They are very slightly different. I have two different plugs on the loom and they will then connect to the screen interface board. This is the screen interface box. We've got connections here for the screen itself through this Molex connector. There's a USB port here for updating the screen and our own CAN connections here. If we look on the other side, this is the plug for the buzzer. Like any other CAN bus system, the system will need two terminating resistors at either end of the system. If you have a big system where you've got more than one screen or more than one junction box, you'll need to remove one or two of the terminating resistors. The screen can be located away from the rest of the system. The most important thing to note is it should be visible from the main saloon area, so users can see any alerts that are displayed on the screen. So as you can see here, we've got the back of the screen with a couple of connections. We've got our main screen connection down here, and this is off to for the buzzer, I believe. The screen interface board is situated just down here, just out of sight, but that's a nice neat place to keep it.